What's going on, y'all? G-Money here, and today we are gonna go inside the Princess Sky Lounge, the all-new Princess Sky Lounge. So I'm looking like an exec today, and we are gonna go meet Michiel and find out what's happening and what's new at the Princess Sky Lounge. So come on, let's go check it out.
There are over 3,200 airport lounges worldwide.
Hi.
Welcome to Princess Sky Lounge.
Thank you. I'm looking for Michiel. Thank you. Michiel!
Good day, G. How are you doing
How
today?
are you? How's everything?
Very good, very good.
Wow, I just walked in here and I'm like, whoa.
Welcome to the new and improved Princess Sky Lounge.
Wow, this is amazing. I remember we was here before, like, everything was under construction. There was dust, there was dirt, and the construction workers, and now to see this,
And now we're finally done.
finally here.
And it's new and improved. We
New and
improved
improved.
a lot of things.
So can you take me on the tour?
Of course. Yeah, follow me.
Okay. Okay, so when you first walk into the lounge, you meet, I guess, the receptionist.
Which is this wonderful lady. You show your boarding pass, and depending on which airline you travel with, you have access to the lounge or not.
Okay, so let's say if I'm flying maybe a smaller local airline like Win Air, will I still have access to the lounge?
Want to go to the lounge?
The lounge?
No, well, everybody has can walk in because we have walk-in rates. So everybody who wants to access the business class lounge can.
Listen, I'm flying coach, but you gotta let me in.
Okay, so say if I'm flying KLM or Air France and I have an executive business class, will I be able also to come in?
Well, let me explain to you a couple of differences that
Okay.
we made compared to the last time we had a business class lounge. Right now, we are working with a concessionaire called GCG, and they're taking care of everything included in the business class lounge.
Okay.
So they are currently in the works of making arrangements with KLM, Air France, American Airlines, Delta, and the works.
Okay.
It's a Delta lounge.
So you have your pass, you can come in, good to go.
Good to go.
So, I mean, this is looking good. Tell me a little something of what we're looking at here.
Okay, so the main thing we did is I don't know if you remember the previous business class lounge.
It was kind of like vertical, and it was kind of like went this way, or
And it was only on one floor.
one level, right?
And we've added a second level. That is one of the big perks that we have added.
Nice.
We added a balcony, we added showers, we added a nursery, we added a conference room. So this is really an example of improving what you already have.
About how many people you say you guys? 'Cause I know it's expanded now, so.
Yeah, I think roughly around 150 people.
Okay.
Once again, it is Hunger Games, true Hunger Games, to get into a lounge and actually find a seat.
And I see every chair has a charge port, plug.
Absolutely. Yeah, we upgraded everything to today's needs.
Nice. All right, let's take a walk. I see a bar over there.
Yes.
It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
Gotta say, this is really amazing looking bar here.
Yes, and the good thing is we don't have one bar, we have two bars because we have 2 levels, 2 bars.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me a little something about, of course, I see catering, you have food.
Yes, this is some finger food that GCG, as I mentioned, put up here. But in addition to the finger food, you can also order from one of the 3 other restaurants that GCG is operating here at the airport. So you have Walk to Fly, you have Caribbean Bowls, you have Bistronomique, and every type of food that they're preparing there, you can order here inside.
So you can come in and sit down and just tell them this is what I want to order, and they'll get it for you.
They will get it for you. In addition, on the top floor, which we will get to next, there's a full-fledged sushi bar.
Sushi bar. Wow, you guys went all out on this. This is amazing.
I know, right?
Cheers.
Hey, cheers.
I'll drink to that.
Now, before we go upstairs, there's also some new stuff, amenities that you guys have downstairs here at the lounge.
Correct. We added 2 showers and a nursery downstairs. Because we know that there's a lot of people here on the island who have to check out by 11 o'clock something from their hotel, but they
Correct.
still want to go to the beach while their flight is maybe at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So to facilitate them, we added 2 showers here in the business class lounge so people can get dressed and get into
I
their
mean, some
airplane.
people might come straight from the beach, not
Right.
me particular, like I mentioned, but some people just, hey, we gotta go catch a flight. We'll take a shower at the airport.
Take a shower at the airport.
A shower?
And in addition to the showers, which are to your left, we have also added a nursery baby care, which is right here.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Also for people to have a little privacy when they take care of their kid, their baby. So we also did that.
Okay, so here's a key question. You ready? You guys have a pet relief.
We do.
Is there any pets allowed in here?
There are pets allowed in here,
Okay.
but no relief here.
Makes sense. So, Michiel,
Yes,
there was never an upstairs.
correct.
What was here before?
There were offices, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay,
Yes, and we decided to add some luxury. So welcome to the second level of luxury at the airport.
So it doesn't matter if I want to be upstairs or downstairs, no different charge, no.
No. Everything is one charge.
Everything is one charge. Okay. Well, show me how we're looking up here.
Okay, let's go to the left first. Obviously, you have a fantastic view over the rest of the airport. This is the second bar, as I mentioned.
Okay.
And it's also a sushi bar.
People always have a great time at sushi bars.
Sushi.
Correct.
Nice.
Yes.
Okay, so you get your drink, get your sushi, relax, look over the
Look over there, work a little bit. So we have workstations here. But in addition, if you want to have a conference call, you want to have a meeting with somebody, we have something new, which is the conference room here. So we have a full-fledged conference room here.
Now I would think you would probably have to like book this in advance.
You can book it by the hour or for the day or part of the day, but this is for the convenience of the business traveler.
And you know, you'll be surprised, there's a lot of meetings that go on in airports.
Absolutely. For instance, if somebody from Anguilla wants to meet somebody from St. Kitts, they can meet here on St. Maarten and go about their business.
This is nice,
Right.
really, really nice. And of course you have the screens, you can do your PowerPoint presentation, whatever you need.
Your conference call, everything.
Nice, nice. Looking good, Princess, looking good.
Well, thank you.
Before we continue,
Okay.
let me introduce you to somebody very special,
Okay.
which is Mr. Patrick Tromp, who is the head chef of GCG.
How you doing, Patrick?
Fine, thank you.
Where you from?
Originally from Aruba, but since December I can call St. Maarten my home.
Oh, okay. So have you worked in Aruba's airport?
In Aruba's airport, no,
No.
I haven't worked.
Okay.
But,
So what kind of treats you're going to be offering the passengers here at Princess Juliana?
to elevate the culinary and the travel experience, we're offering different kind of foods, finger foods, and like Michiel said, sushi, tapas. We'll be serving breakfast, with different kind of breads,
Okay.
cold cuts, different kind of cheeses.
Wow.
Also soup. And we're also serving lunch with different kind of foods,
Okay.
Asian, French, Dutch.
So a little bit of
A
everything.
little bit of everything.
Wow. Can't wait. Nice to meet you, Patrick.
Thank you.
All right. One thing I gotta say, Michiel, these chairs are comfortable and there is some serious privacy going on here.
What is that, G?
The chair, the chairs, they're comfortable.
They are, right?
Yeah.
And it gives you a lot of privacy, or did you just say that?
Well, both. Anyway, but let me tell you something. One thing I know is you guys have some TV screens also too. When it comes to watching events or anything.
To watching live TV programs, we recently had the Euro Cup soccer, football, as we call it, and you could watch it live here.
Nice. This is great. So, what are the opening hours? I know people are watching this saying, "Okay, I want to see this lounge."
Okay, usually the lounge opens at 10 a.m. and it closes after the last large flight leaves the airport.
Wow, this is really, really beautiful. Now, there's one more thing that you guys added that you guys didn't have before, besides upstairs, but you got a balcony.
We have a balcony.
Can
Let
we
me show you.
Okay.
Picture me a balcony.
Wow. I
The pièce
remember.
de résistance.
I remember when this was under construction. You guys said you're going to build a balcony, and
Yes.
now to see it. Oh man, this is nice.
It's amazing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. So we added a balcony for people who want to leave the business class lounge for a little bit, have a little bit of extra air,
And-
we have a nice little area.
And to show off too a little
And
bit.
to show off.
Sit
as
with your
well.
glass of champagne, relax.
People downstairs will see it and they will want to visit the business class lounge.
That is
themselves.
true. So this business class, like you mentioned, the hours, it's open 7 days a week.
7 days a week.
Okay, and of course, pet friendly.
Pet friendly, kid friendly, everything.
And of course, is it the same price for the kids and for the adults?
The kids do get a discount.
Okay.
I think it's 25% discount.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Okay.
So everybody is welcome.
Well, Michiel, this is amazing. You guys did a wonderful job, and you've really put the Princess on top when it comes to executive lounges in airports around the world. I've been to quite a few lounges, and this is really, really nice.
I couldn't agree more. Thanks.
Thank you, Michiel.
Thank you.
Hey, it's Restoring a Princess. Make sure you tune in for more episodes. Of course, make sure you subscribe. And do remember, the Princess is celebrating 80 years, and we got a lot more coming up. Until next time, Restoring a Princess.